Keelback was the winner of the small sovereign UAS challenge through ASCA. And we're very proud to be a company that wasn't a drone company before that, and to build a small UAS that we've delivered to defence that has basically pushed that sovereign capability into an area that didn't exist in Australia. So we're very proud to be part of that over the last few years.
So the ASCA challenge, for those who don't know, was actually to try and find a replacement to the sub 2 kilo drones for defence and for the federal government. Over 200 companies actually applied in the original ASCA challenge in July 2023. Over 30 made it to the second round, and 16 were invited to a flight test in March 2024. Our plan was a very simple plan, low effort, just use industry standard internals with our partners, build a new industrial design on the outside, and just create a globally attractive product that we could sell to our US homeland and other foreign government customers. When we actually looked at what we wanted to achieve, and this is the initial work in December 23, we wanted to make the world's best drone in our category. We wanted to make it so flexible for the warfighter that they can use it for any mission, and make it so cheap that people would consider it ammunition and not a system. As we've seen in Ukraine, Australian drone companies need to innovate quickly and rapidly and to make Australian-made product. And despite how hard it was in such a short time frame, it actually eliminated those companies that couldn't innovate quickly and rapidly produce new product.
We don't want to stop here in terms of our sovereign capability. It's fantastic that the partnership we've had through ASCA and the Commonwealth in delivering small UAS and sovereign capability to the Commonwealth. And what we'd love to see is a continual investment and focus into that space. We have a real extensive roadmap for our product, the Mozzie, and want to continue to build out its capabilities to protect our country. And we'd love to see continual investment from the defence and the Commonwealth and from the industry in general to uplift our capabilities here in Australia rather than overseas.